Waterless car wash products are a cheap and easy way to keep your ride looking like new. As long as there is minimal dirt or dust on the surface of your car, truck, or SUV, these products will allow you to apply a pre-mixed spray to the body and easily wipe away any surface grime like bugs, water spots, bird droppings, and more. There are a number of different goods available, each with unique features, advantages, and budgets from which to choose the motorcycle helmet. I conducted a lot of research, read a large portion of reviews, and put up a list of the best motorcycle helmet cam from reliable brands to assist you in making an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I suggested that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video right now without any hesitation. Number 1. Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. This waterless car wash and wax kit from Aero Cosmetics is a great deal and provides you with everything you might need for cleaning your car without using a hose or a bucket of water. The industrial strength wash and wax kit includes a 144 ounces waterless wash, which is good for up to 36 uses, and also includes a 16 ounces spray bottle, 4 microfiber towels, and a helpful how-to guide. It's also biodegradable and won't irritate your eyes or skin. Aero Cosmetics says the wash is appropriate for RVs, motorcycles, and boats in addition to cars. Don't have time to wash the car before an important event or even a date. Or maybe you don't have a driveway and hose at your home to do a proper car wash. Condo and apartment dwellers might find use in a waterless car wash. Just pull the waterless car wash product and a rag from your trunk, spray it down, wipe it off, and your vehicle will be left looking like it just left the local touchless car wash. So you love keeping your vehicle clean but don't want to rewash your car completely every day or spend a fortune at the car wash. It sounds like you need to get yourself some waterless car wash products. Positive side of this product: large 144 ounces bottle saves you money, towels included, biodegradable. Negative side of this product: not all consumers will need such a large amount of waterless wash and wax. Number 2. Editor's Pick: Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax is a well-priced waterless car wash product that will help to lift dirt off the surface of your vehicle and also leave behind a wax barrier for a shiny, sealed finish. Meguiar's promises its waterless wash and wax won't leave behind any water spots and will also protect against swirls and scratches. It's safe for glossy paints with clear coat finishes, polished metals, and even plastic trim as well. This product is ideal for a car that's already clean. Some other waterless car wash products will be tougher on dirt, bugs, and other sticky surface dirt and grime, but may not leave your car looking quite as shiny as this product from Meguiar's. Like other waterless washes, this cleaner will effectively remove dirt and grime from your car. It also serves another purpose, though. It will also ensure that water beads off of your vehicle in the event of a storm. It can, therefore, be applied to your vehicle's windows and headlights so water doesn't pool up on and reduce visibility. Positive side of this product: wash and wax combo leaves your car extra shiny. Negative side of this product: not tough on bugs or heavy dirt. Number 3. Griot's Garage 11065 Spray on Car Wash 35 ounces. Griot's Garage Spray on Waterless Car Wash sells in a 22 ounces format for a price that many other washes sell for in 16 ounces size. It's therefore good value for money and won't leave behind streaks or smears. Like some other less expensive waterless washes, though, you may have to use a lot of the spray in order to clean a particularly dirty or dusty vehicle. If your car gets washed with water frequently, and you're looking for a product to help that shine stick around for a little bit longer, this waterless wash from Griot's is a solid, affordable option. This waterless car wash from Dual Polymer has acrylic resin in the formula, which can fill minor scratches in your car's bodywork and make them less visible. In addition to repairing minor scratches, the product retains its ability to operate as an effective waterless wash and wax. Positive side of this product: inexpensive in 22 ounces bottle, good spray bottle, multiple sizes. Negative side of this product: may have to use a lot of spray to clean particularly dusty or dirty vehicles. Number 4. Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax. This no rinse, waterless wash and wax from Opt comes in a convenient 32 ounces format and is relatively inexpensive. The product will wash away dirt and seal it with wax, leaving your car looking for weeks on end. Opt says it's appropriate to be used on cars, trucks, boats, RVs, and can even be used to wash wood or fiberglass paneling. For a truly shiny finish, you may want to apply a dedicated wax to your vehicle after using this waterless wash. The company's wash and wax is highly lubricated and will leave your vehicle with a shiny, scratch-free and clean surface. It's also safe for any exterior surface including chrome, plastic and glass. You can buy a large 24 ounces bottle of the waterless wash and wax for less than some companies sell a 16 ounces waterless wash for. The product is also sold in a pack of 6 and is a bundle with a glass cleaner and tire renew solution. Some users say the product doesn't smell as good as the fruity, tropical scents of some other waterless washing products. Positive side of this product, inexpensive for the quality, can be used on wood and fiberglass. Negative side of this product, not a true replacement for a dedicated wax. Number 5. Best high-end wash, Chemical Guys Hyper Concentrated Waterless Car Wash and Wax. This waterless wash and wax from the reputable folks over at Chemical Guys is a concentrated mixture that you can water down to make it go a bit further. Chemical Guys says it will make up to 2 gallons of ready-to-use waterless wash. Described as the ultimate complete detail in a bottle, this waterless wash and wax will shine your car and provide lasting protection from other dirt and grime. It safely removes dirt without scratching your vehicle's exterior. You should use a quality microfiber towel with this wash. It's also appropriate to be used on wheels, bumpers, paintwork, plastic trim, and more. Some users report the wash being a bit too thin when watered down with Chemical Guys' suggested ratio. To remedy this, you may want to use a bit more of the concentrated wash than the bottle suggests. It's important to ensure your vehicle isn't too dirty when using a waterless car wash and wax. If your car is completely covered in surface dirt, it won't matter how much product you use or how high of quality it is. You'll simply spread the dirt around and risk scratching your car or putting swirls in the paint. Positive side of this product, concentrated solution makes 2 gallons of washes and waxes. Negative side of this product, not as convenient as a spray bottle-based waterless wash. That's all I have to say. I frequently make video reviews. Please follow my channel. Please refer to my description if you need more information or want to know how much the items cost. If you are having issues of any kind, please comment below. Keep up with our most recent items because they will simplify your life. We appreciate you watching this video.